Hi everyone, it's Matthew again. Today is 20th of May 2021, and in this strategy we'll be trading the volatility 75 index fall, and we'll be scalping the market. So we actually won't be waiting for like 2 minutes for this trade to close, and we are using the web trader. All you have to do is to log into the webtrader.binary.com, then go to the trade and open the volatility 75 index, change this to up and down, then click on fall right here. Just click on fall, then you set the durations to 2 minutes, enter the payout here. I've entered 23 USD. Actually I'm staking 11.22. so you can see when you are trading rise and fall, the return is always high, but rise and fall trading is very risky. But we'll be scalping in this strategy. We won't be hitting the 2 minutes. Depends on the movement of the line right there. And you have to open the chart as well. Go to charts, open the synthetic indices, then click on volatility 75 index, change the time interval to 1 minute, click on 1 minute. Don't drag this at all, just leave it. Make sure the candle is showing. So make sure the candle is we are going to be working with this red line movement, not the candle. When it's moving, you can see the tiny red line. When it's moving up, when it's pushing right up, we are going to be clicking on purchase. So, and when we hit plus on the display after placing the trade, we are going to quickly click on sell at market. So let's just watch you can see the red line is dropping, so we have to wait for it to go right up. You can see it's going up, it's pushing right up, it's dropping again. So let's wait. It's going down. Okay, it's pushing a bit up, it's pushing up. So we have to wait, we have to watch the red line. Okay, it's going up, it's down again. Wait for it to go up a bit. This is the line right here. You can see the edges. If it's going up, you can see the line, the red line. And whenever it's going up, make sure that the edges, the candle at the edges is a bit, the gap is a bit wide. As you can see, the gap is a bit close there. You can see the candle, the last candle there. It's going down. It's going down. So let's still wait. Okay, it's going up. Okay, it's up there. So let's view. Okay, let's take that. So you can see we quickly saw that market there. We just took a little profit there. So let's watch again. Still going up, so we click on purchase right there. Okay, let's take that. So as you can see, we took that as well. We made about 1 point something dollars there. So let's watch again. Let's watch the line again. Okay, it's still going up. Then you view. You don't have to. This is the profit margin. This is where we are checking. You don't have to wait for it to be high. If it is plus 4 plus 3 plus, just take it. You have to be fast with it because it can change to minus anytime. That's plus 1 there. So let's just continue again. Okay, the line is still going up. Okay, that's plus 5. Okay, let's just continue again. Don't forget this thing has to be in fall. Okay, it's still going up. Let me just wait. Okay, plus 9. That's good. Okay, our return is 9.7.